To cancel a deposit in Robinhood, start by logging into your account on the app or website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Transfer Funds page, which is typically found under the Account or Cash Management section. On this page, you will see a list of all your pending and completed transfers, including deposits. Look for the deposit you want to cancel and check if it is still pending. If the deposit is pending, you can usually cancel it by selecting the Cancel or Reverse option next to the transfer. If you do not see a cancel option, you may need to contact Robinhood support to request cancellation. It is essential to note that you can only cancel a deposit if it has not yet been processed. If the deposit has already been processed, you will not be able to cancel it, but you can withdraw the funds once they are available in your account. To avoid any issues, make sure to review the transfer details carefully before initiating a cancellation. Check the amount, the source of the funds, and the destination to ensure you are canceling the correct deposit. It is also crucial to understand that canceling a deposit may take some time to process, and you may not be able to use the funds for other transfers or investments until the cancellation is complete. In some cases, Robinhood may charge a fee for canceling a deposit, so it is a good idea to check the fee schedule before initiating a cancellation. By following these steps and understanding the process, you can easily cancel a deposit in Robinhood and manage your funds effectively.